Right, so this is our autumn winter catalogue. Now, not everything, even though it's finished, not everything has finished. I just want to run through what is carrying over. And when items carry over, what it means is that they'll still be available until at least the end of May 2018, and they might still be available as they might go into the June 2018-19 catalogue. So they might become regular products in that catalogue. So one of the first things that's carrying over is this textured impressions embossing folder. It'll carry over at the same price and the same catalogue number. Just don't get rid of your catalogue, because obviously you might want to pick up some bits and bobs that you never had the chance to get or never had the funds for in the run up to Christmas, so that you can use them next Christmas. This Ready for Christmas, you'll see that some of the most popular ones are the ones which are going to carry over. This Ready for Christmas was really popular with demos. Tons of them use them for lots of lovely things. It's one I didn't get and I think I would like to have got. So yeah, that's carrying over. This was one of my favourites. It's not carrying over. This is carrying over, the acetate card boxes, and also the everyday label punch is carrying over. That was very popular. There's no surprise that that's carrying over. I did mean to do a project with the Memories and More Christmas pack, but obviously I don't know if you might have seen somewhere that we had a terrible tragedy over Christmas, and Christmas just went out the window for us. But I might do it retrospectively, or I might do it for next year or something. I suppose I can do it retrospectively because I can do like scrapbooking Christmas pictures. So yeah, so there's nothing on there that's carrying over. There's nothing there that's carried over. I really thought this would carry over because it's gorgeous. I'll be looking out for this on the clearance rack in the future, so I'd never got around to getting it. This is carrying over, the Night in Bethlehem, the edgelit dies and the stamp set. So you'll still be able to get that. This Real Red solid ribbon is carrying over. So you'll be able to get that. This is carrying over, Snowflake Sentiments, and the Finlet dies that go with it. I'm not surprised that that's carrying over because it's absolutely gorgeous and it was really popular. The champagne foil sheets are carrying over, which is great because they're gorgeous and I thought they were going to disappear. It's a shame that this Winter Wonderland Textured Impressions embossing folder is not carrying over, because I bought it and I never got a chance to use it. But I can still use it. It just means that people won't be able to buy it. This Hearts Come Home stamp set and edgelets are also carrying over. There's quite a bit. The Half Full is carrying over. It's a really nice set. Saw that used a lot. Saw this used a lot though, and that's not carrying over. Oh, so we have the Whisper White 3x3 envelopes carrying over, and we also have the mini pizza boxes carrying over. Both were very popular items. The Labels to Love, which goes with the label punch, that's also carrying over. And even though, I mean, that's not necessarily a Christmas one, that's not a Christmas one. These are sort of Christmas and Halloween, but that's not. Yeah, so you can still use that even though it's not Christmas. These are carrying over, I'm not surprised because they were very popular. Seasonal Chums and the Seasonal Tags framelets, so you'll still be able to get those. Painted Harvest you'll still be able to get, I'm not surprised again because people love that. And the Leaf Punch, people love that. And the Cat Punch is also carrying over. Again, I'm not surprised, it's not just useful for Halloween. and that's your lot. So all those things are going to carry over, and so will still be available if you want to buy them. So if you have seen projects using them and you've thought, oh, it's too late to grab them, it's not too late, you can still grab those. Okay, so happy shopping.